So let's have a look at the buyer journey, or AIDA. So the buyer journey, the first thing we have to understand is there is that journey. Now, we talked about the 7 steps to marriage as a principle, about the amount of points of contact it takes for someone will actually buy from you. Now, occasionally, if we have enough social proof and we look legitimate, the buyer journey is going to be one that we don't see necessarily. So they're going to turn up on our website and buy from us, and that's great. But they still went through this buyer journey, but you might not have seen it. Now, let's understand the buyer journey. What is the buyer journey? The buyer journey is the process someone goes through before they will buy from you. And the first step of that journey is attention, the eyes. So the young girl walking through the shopping mall, and she's walking along, and all of a sudden she sees a dress in the window. And she needs a dress. She needs a summer dress. It's a style she likes. She's seen the style. She likes it. Well, immediately it's got her attention. Her eyes have seen it. So the first part of the buyer journey is the eyes seeing the product on offer. And then she walks over and she sees that there is a $50 price ticket, but it's been reduced to $30. So now the mind starts getting engaged. The intellectual part of the buyer journey starts to get involved. Now, she's got $30. She can just about afford that this month out of her budget. So intellectually, she's now interested. We've gone from the eyes to the mind. Now, the next step is the desire phase, the heart. So she goes in, she takes a dress in her size, she takes it into the change room, she tries it on, she looks in the mirror, and she really likes the way it looks. And all of a sudden, desire springs up in the heart. Now she's actually starting to desire this, to fall in love with this dress. This is something she wants. So we've gone eyes to the mind and now to the heart. Now we're getting to desire. Now we're getting closer to a sale, but we still haven't got the sale. Because as she walks out, she's walking out and she really likes it. There's a sales assistant waiting there who says, would you like to buy that dress? And there's a call to action. There's a call for her to physically do something. And she decides that this is something she likes. This is something intellectually she can afford. But most important of all is something she desires. Now the heart's engaged. So she takes action. She goes over and she pays for the dress and takes the dress out. That's the buyer journey. Whenever someone buys something, this is the process they go through. And when we understand that, we can map our marketing to that journey.